Welcome back to DRXAutomobi. Today we are discussing one of the most polarizing and anticipated launches in modern automotive history. The all-electric 2026 Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman. The death of the mid-engine Boxster engine sound is a challenge for purists. But Porsche's mission is clear: prove that electrification can enhance, not diminish, the legendary 718 driving experience. The design remains low-slung and instantly recognizable, evolving the classic lines with sleek, EV-specific aerodynamic features like a streamlined front fascia, flush door handles, and an aerodynamically optimized rear diffuser, essential for extending range and managing high-speed stability. The crucial engineering marvel is how Porsche tackles the weight and balance challenge. Rumors suggest the use of a unique space-saving chest-style battery pack positioned directly behind the seats, mimicking the placement of the previous engine to maintain the mid-engine feel and sharp handling dynamics that define the 718. Performance figures are staggering. Dual motor, all-wheel drive configurations are expected to offer output ranging from over 500 horsepower in the base models to potentially more, and 700 horsepower in top-tier variants, resulting in a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in as little as 3.2 seconds. Power is instant, relentless, controlled by a chassis and suspension, meticulously fine-tuned to ensure the steering precision and minimal body roll Porsche owners demand. The 718 EVs will utilize the brand's cutting-edge 800-volt architecture, enabling ultra-fast DC charging speeds of up to 350 kilowatts, allowing the battery to replenish from 10 to 80% in under 25 minutes, a crucial factor for road trip usability. Inside, the cabin maintains a driver-centric cockpit feel with high-quality materials and a refined digital interface, balancing modern tech with analog engagement. While the market shift has prompted Porsche to consider dual powertrain strategies, the 2026 Porsche 718 EVs represent the pinnacle of electric sports car engineering. It is set to redefine the segment, delivering blistering performance, impressive real-world range, and crucially, the soul of a Porsche, even without a combustion engine. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRXAutomobi for the moment we hear that electric whine.